finally done it! The chores are finished, the phone is on the nightstand, and the door is locked. For the first time all day, there is no one asking for your time, no one judging your choices, and no one making noise. You are at last completely and utterly alone.
You feel a sense of peace. That quiet boundary between you and the rest of the world feels solid. Your skin is the border, and everything inside it is you. You, pure, private. Individual.
Oh, do grow up, Sarah. You've never been alone a day in your life. You're currently hosting a festival with more attendees than Glastonbury, and frankly, your hygiene standards are the only reason they're having such a marvelous time.
You think you're an individual, a singular entity. How quaint. If we were to count every cell in that rather tired-looking body of yours, you'd find a bit of a mathematical tragedy. Roughly half of the cells you carry aren't even human. You are a biological 50-50 split. Trillions of bacteria, microbes, and uninvited guests. If your body were a corporation, you wouldn't even have a majority share. You're just a junior partner in a firm run by things that don't even have nuclei.
You look in the mirror and see your own eyes, your own skin. It feels like home. But if you could zoom in, past the pores, past the fine hairs, you'd find that your face is actually a bustling metropolitan district.
Don't mind them. Those are your eyelash mites. They spend their entire lives face down in your follicles, eating your skin oils and having tiny microscopic romances while you're trying to work out how to use a spreadsheet. They don't even have an exit for waste. They just carry it until they explode. Truly the height of elegance. And you thought you were alone in the shower? Marvelous.
Do you ever wonder why you can't stop reaching for the sugar? You blame your willpower. You think you're weak-willed, a sad sack with no self-control? But what if that craving isn't yours? You are not a monarchy, Mark. You are a democracy of microbes who have generously agreed to let you name the body. But make no mistake, you do not have a majority. Your gut microbiome is essentially a second brain. These trillions of tenants send chemical signals up the vagus nerve, whispering to your actual brain, telling it what they want to eat. You're not choosing that cake. You're just fulfilling the campaign promises of the bacteria in your large intestine.
There is a feeling for this, the sudden realization that you are not just a person, but a planet. Every person you pass on the street is a walking, talking ecosystem, carrying a unique signature of life that has been evolving for billions of years.
It's identity bending, isn't it?
If you are outnumbered by them, where do you actually start? You're like a haunted house, except the ghosts are made of DNA and they're paying the rent by helping you digest your lunch. Without them, you'd be dead in a week. They educate your immune system. They produce your vitamins. They even influence your mood. You're basically a high-end biological taxi service for things that think your armpit is the equivalent of the French Riviera.
You look at your hand. You think, this is my hand. But it is also a landscape. A forest of hair, a desert of dry skin, a swamp of sweat. And in every corner, something is moving. Something is living. Something is watching.
It's faintly horrifying, I know. The idea that privacy is a chemical hallucination. You can lock every door in the house, but you can't lock the door to your own skin. You leave a cloud of yourself everywhere you go. A microbial sonder. Every chair you sit in, every hand you shake, you're exchanging delegates from your inner democracy. You're never alone, Sarah, because you're a crowd.
We spend our lives looking for connection, feeling the weight of our own solitude, the monocopsis of being out of place. But the truth is, the connection is already there. It's built into your very cells.
So, next time you feel lonely, just remember, your eyelash mites are having a party. Your gut bacteria are debating the merits of that sandwich you ate, and your skin is currently hosting the equivalent of the Olympic Games.
You aren't a person. You're a beautifully crowded, slightly damp, very confused ecosystem. Now, stop worrying about being alone and go to sleep. Your microbes have a big day of being you tomorrow, and they'd appreciate the rest.